Alright, so hey hello guys, what's up everybody, it's Ranjit Gautam and back to again in this video. Hey dude, and I hope you all are good and enjoying your English learning journey every single day. So dude, as you know that we are improving English here, okay, and you are improving but you are not sharing this video, you are not sharing this channel with your friends. This is not good things to improve alone. Learn together dude, this is good thing and this is right method to improve English with each other. So please share this video and learn with your friend.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो पहले, हाँ जल्दी करो। मुझे पता है कि आप लोग नहीं करते हो, वीडियो देखते हो लेकिन सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते। ये लाल कलर का बटन नहीं से दबाओ, जल्दी दबाओ, जल्दी दबाओ, फिर मैं शुरू करूँ। दबा दो जल्दी, दबा दिया, घंटी भी दबा देना ठीक।
Otherwise you can improve from here, okay, but improve with your friends, with your second person, okay. And dude, if you haven't subscribed, so please subscribe and press the bell icon for information. If I am making here videos, so you will gain information firstly. So please subscribe and press the bell icon. So dude, let's begin this video. So today we will talk about direct and indirect speech, okay. What is indirect and what is direct speech? So there is no any big thing, this is simple, very simple, okay. Direct is that whatever we are listening, okay, like you are listening me, so what is I am speaking, whatever I am speaking, you will speak means exactly, okay, you will speak same to same, okay. And indirect is that whatever I am speaking, you can modify that sentences, okay. Like I am speaking that the weather is so warm, yeah, today, okay. So the weather is too hot today, yeah, this is right. So you will speak it exactly, okay. So that will called direct speech, this will called direct speech, okay. And indirect, that you can modify this, okay, you can modify this, okay. Like I am speaking yeah, like air is cool today, okay, air is blowing, you can see, you can say, okay, air is blowing. So you can modify it like in indirect speech, like chill air is blowing, there is a cool air. So like that you can modify, okay, you can change in sentences. So this was the reason and this was the some difference between both, okay. And let's take one or two examples, okay. So dude, I am going to recite to you all two examples, perfect examples, okay. Like first example is, he said all that glitters is not gold, okay dude. So this is direct speech, okay. And if we want to convert it into indirect speech, so this will be, okay. So yeah dude, first thing is that we are using here inverted commas, okay, in direct speech, okay, we are using inverted commas. And if we are making indirect speech, so there we will not use inverted commas, okay. There we will say that he said that all glitters is not gold, okay. So this will indirect speech, okay dude. And let's understand second example. Okay, so the leader, okay, yes, the leader said that where there is a will, there is a way. So this is direct speech. Okay, and you know that we will use here, what we will use, commas. Okay, inverted commas. Okay, and the difference between inverted and direct, direct and indirect speech, that in the direct speech we will use inverted commas, and then after inverted commas our first letter will be capital. So if we want to convert it into indirect speech, so this will be, the leader said that where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, so there we will remove inverted commas. Okay dude, so this was the today's topic, and I hope you have understand it clearly and in a easy way. So this is a difference between it. Okay, there is no any big difference. So dude, you can see today's nature, it is not too not too warm, but yeah, it is hot, but it is bright day. And dude, tomorrow is my unit test, so I am not preparing for that. I am making video here. And dude, this is right thing, that if you are working hard, if you are working on you, so you will definitely succeed one day. Yeah dude, just think about your parents, that they are thinking our children will do a big thing, they will do for us different thing. Yeah, so dude, be confident in your life and be positive. Okay, choose any one aim, that yeah, choose, because whatever you want to achieve in your life, so work that thing. There is no one for you who will support you. Please listen to carefully this thing. Okay, so dude, please learn this language. This is very necessary for all of us. Without it we cannot gain any job, dude, please. So that's why I want to tell you all, learn, and you can learn easily, because it is, you can see, okay, this language is in our surrounding, everyone is speaking, so that's why this is very easy for all of us. Okay dude, so please, and if you really want to, so please subscribe this channel and improve every day. Okay, there is no any charge, dude, to subscribe, to comment. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope you have watched this video till the end and you like, and thank you so much for watching till the end. So dude, okay, now it's time to end the video. So if you have any question, if you have any topic for me, so please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so bye bye for this time, bye.